Just chilling in my city. Clean up trash from the river. This is Route 1. The only free highway in Japan. Amanogawa. This river is called the Milky Way River or the Galaxy River. Yo, look over there. It's my favorite animal, the duck. Turtle just chilling here. Oh, that's a crow by the train. When these yellow flowers get bigger, a little bit more bigger, they get these black sticky things that, like, if you walk by it, it'll get stuck to your pants, or your socks, or your shoes. It's annoying. Yeah, someone ate fast food, just left it by the river. You eat lazy, you litter. Not a healthy lifestyle for you or the environment. Our find of the day is this Dunlop shoe. We got a bunch of recyclables. Special thanks for all the trash from McDonald's and Burger King. Let's keep these rivers safe.